Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to make your Wix website stand out with a custom banner? It's easy. Here's a step-by-step guide to add a stunning banner to your site. Step 1. Log into your Wix account and open the site you want to edit. Once you are in, you will see the Wix editor. You have for customizing every detail of your website. Step 2. Decide where your banner will go. Typically, banners work great at the top of your site, but you can also add them to specific sections to highlight events, promotions, or key information. Step 3. On the left hand side, click the Add button from the menu. Select Strip. Strips are versatile design blocks that can be customized to create a banner. Drag the strip to your desired location, then resize it to fit your banner's dimensions. Step 4. Customize your banner. Click Change Strip Background to add a solid color gradient, image, and or even a video. You can upload your own files or choose from Wix's free media library. Step 5. Add elements to your banner. Click the Add button again to include the text, buttons, or images. Use this to showcase your message, whether it's a call to action, a sale, or an announcement. Finally, preview your site to make sure everything looks perfect, then click Publish to share it with the world. And that's it. Adding a banner to your Wix website is a breeze. Uh, and it's a great way to grab your visitors' attention. Start designing today on Wix.com.